What's going on, guys? My name's Bill, and this is Tool Tech Tuesdays. On Tuesdays, I like to bring you guys tools. Tools that I've been using in my videos or that I've been using on projects just in and around my garage. What I've got here are vice grips, but they're not your standard, normal, everyday vice grips. No. These are by Vampire Tools, and these are the Vampire JAWZ. JAWZ. These things, unlike your standard vice grips, these are great for getting out like screws that maybe, where they're maybe like just too tight, rusted in place, the head is stripped out. You ever try to take vice grips and grab some smaller heads like that? It's hard to get a grip on it. You try to come at it this way and try to grab on there. As soon as you twist it, the jaws kind of like misalign and they fall and they come off the screw head you're trying to grab. This is a larger one, so it's not a great representation of this, but you get the idea. You know what I'm talking about. We've all been there. The Vampires, these have on the tip here, on the nose of them, they have a little indent, a little vertical jaw, or a pair of jaws that run perpendicular to your standard jaws. Can you see that? You see those jaws right there that run opposite or perpendicular to your standard jaws? What those do is when you put them on a screw head in this orientation, those things grab, they bite into that screw head and allow you to hold on to that screw good and tight. They don't slip off as much or nearly as much as your standard vice grips. I mean, everything within reason, right? But these things, I mean, look at that. I'm tightening this down. They grab on there tight. So if you're looking for a pair of vice grips, or locking pliers, I should say, because Vice Grips is a brand. If you're looking for a set of locking pliers, go look at the Vampire or Vampire Tools VAMPLIER JAWZ. They're great locking pliers, vice grips. We all know them as vice grips. They've got some really, really aggressive teeth in there. Look at that. Look at that. Look how aggressive those teeth are. Those things are gonna grab on just about anything. Super, super convenient set of pliers to have in your toolbox, in your bag, in your car, wherever it is that you keep your tools, piled up in the corner of your garage, thrown in the corner of your workbench, in a bucket, whatever. Get yourself Vampire Tools VAMPLIER JAWZ. Check them out. I'll leave some links down below. Appreciate you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe, hit the bell, get back to work.